These here that you see are they're my two 9-inch fans. And as you can see here, this 1947 Vortalex looks quite a bit smaller than this here Galaxy. They both oscillate, and they're both fairly well built fans. This one I believe is late 80s, early 90s, I'm not exactly sure. But I'm 90% sure this is a 47 Vortalex. And what we're going to do here is we're going to compare which one of these two fans here is the most efficient functioning fan. I'm going to go ahead and turn this one on. It's a little bit noisy because the bearings are shot. Turn on high. Here's high. Oscillator. I did a lot of work to the bearings to make them quiet again, oil them up and everything. Sometimes it makes a rattling noise. It's not too bad right now. It puts out a decent breeze on high and also on low. I'm going to go ahead and turn the Vortalex. It's only got one speed, flat out or nothing. I'm going to go ahead and turn the oscillator. The oscillator on this one's just like one of the bigger fans that GE's made. All you have to do is turn a little thumb screw and it will activate it. As you can see, it's functioning beautifully. Alright, now what I've got here, coming in this view, this is called a Sencor PM157 power monitor. And what this does is it tells me the amperage, wattage, or if I flip a switch right here, the line voltage coming in to the outlet right here, which I'm running up in front of this. Now what it's telling me is my Vortalex is using about 60 watts. Now I know this thing here, I believe it to be something along the lines of like a Heath kit, something that you build from a kit. I do not think it's at all very accurate, but it just gives you an idea of how efficient or inefficient something is. So I'm going to go ahead and turn up the Vortalex. Now it does put out a very powerful breeze. It's very quiet. It oscillates nice and smooth. We had to do some modifications to the oscillator here. I'll show. There is a pin right here. You can barely see it going through the oscillator shaft because this kept on falling off. Alright, now I'm going to turn this on high. Now on high, it's saying that this Galaxy here is using 80 watts. Now it's moving not quite as much as the Vortalex. It's not quite as powerful. But this has a shaded pole motor, where this does not. Now you can see shaded pole motors are very inefficient motors, but the reason that they're all over is because they're so cheap to make. It's just showing you here, this is using a lot more energy to move less air. I don't know. Which one do you think is the most efficient? You tell me. I know which one's the better looking, I can tell you that. I easily think the styling of the Vortalex is far superior to the styling of this Galaxy. I don't know, you tell me which one you think is the most efficient. Let them coast down here. Until next time.